Despite its status as Nigeria's seat of power, Abuja continues to grapple with the menace of open urination in public places. From markets to motor parks, roadside corners to drainage channels, the practice remains widespread.
If you go to your own roundabouts, you can't actually walk past that place without covering your nose. Even after they've provided like a public toilet, there are people still opt for urinating in public. So as for who does it more, of course, male easily do it because they don't need to do too much. They just unzip and do what they have to do.
Let's assume I was pressed. I was pressed down and I want to go to ease myself. Where do I go? Here, as we are standing talking, where do I go? Is it Ministry of Education? When you go there, they lock everything up?
Experts warn that the habit not only pollutes the environment, but also contaminates water sources, spreads diseases such as cholera and typhoid, and undermines efforts to maintain a clean and hygienic city.
Many public toilets do not have water to flush urine, as simple as that, not to talk of the faces, right? So the government, the people need to learn how to manage water. We need to see water as a scarce commodity. If you enforce a policy that would start arresting people, what about the person who do not even have access to the toilet? There's no public toilet around that needs to urinate immediately and just have to do it somewhere. What will you do to such a person? Will you tell them that before they leave their house in the morning they should not drink water, which can affect their kidney and cause another terminal disease?
Residents are calling for stricter enforcement of environmental laws and more awareness campaigns.
It's not on the government anymore, it's more or less on us. We need to actually adopt the habit of not doing it outside.
For how long have they said this thing? What was the benefit to today? Where have they been build what do you call it, toilet and all these things?
It is very, very simple. Let the federal government or FCT government bring the idea of a cubicle for every corner area of the FCT.
Ending open urination requires a mix of infrastructure, enforcement, and behavioral change. Only then can Abuja reflect the image of a clean and healthy capital city. In Abuja, for News Central, Bettina, Nwelih.